try to cut. I need to cut again with a fly cutter. I haven't used a fly cutter since I fixed the machine.
All right, trying to finish up this Supra dump tube. It's the biggest dump tube I've ever welded. It's 2.5 inch. Finished up the 4-inch downpipe. This thing, it goes out the fender. That's done. It's over there. I'll run a quick bead around that V-band. And then jump up here and connect this bad boy to right here. That's next. What's up, guys? So I'm back over here trying to finish up this Supra. I got the cold side here. I got my piece cut for that mate. But check it out. We got our aluminum for the 6-inch intake, which this coupler is almost comical. I think it's made by like Acme. Stick my head in that fucking thing. It's crazy. Look at this pipe. Good Lord. I mean, that's how you make a cold air intake. Jesus, huh? I'll post some photos and stuff whenever I get this thing a little closer to getting buttoned up. Update time. So I got my cold side from the air to water welded up, bolted in, fits perfect. Did some cutting on some 6-inch aluminum here, got it started. Gotta blow a hole through there and get it down to a fog light for the intake. The fender exit, I just got to weld on my my hanger and it's done. Slash cut the tip, make a beauty ring, and finish that dude, and then my job's done. Ready to see it wired. I got that lower pipe already done. It's not in there right now. And hopefully it gets it wired sometime soon so that I can see it at the track. It's pretty nice. Bomb Squad. What's up, guys? It's Jamie with Bomb Squad Performance. Today we're making a custom transition for a fog light that an intake's gonna sit in. And as you can see, it doesn't line up so well. So what we're gonna be doing is making a smooth transition into the two pieces, so it's pretty seamless looking. I'll show you what I got going on. So I got a cardboard template, obviously. This slides over the fog light, so in the back, like this being the front of the car, you won't see my template. So what I did was I went ahead and cut this template out of wood, old rough piece of wood I had laying around, and then I set my intake on it. And there was some little gaps down in there. That's no big deal. I can dolly that a little bit. And then I traced it and then cut the shape out. So now I have what my new piece of aluminum will look like. So I got some marks on the side here. And I'm going to do two different pieces and weld them together. So I'll take a piece of paper, lay it around here and get my template line, cut it out, lay it on a piece of flat aluminum. And then I'll put the edge right here and I'll work that metal around and then hammer it up, make it good, and then do the same thing on this back side. Then weld both sides, and I should have a transition that will fit over this fog light and also accept the 6-inch intake. This is my first attempt at this, so let's see how it goes. In my head it works. I've watched some videos, I've did some reading, and I think it'll work. Got my plate down there, so next I'm going to make my paper templates and cut it out. And if it doesn't work, you'll probably never see this video. But if it does work, I'll post it up. We'll see what happens. Right, so I got to dollying on this thing, and I ran into some troubles clamping it. I don't have any clamps that are big enough to get around it and hold it. It's kind of an odd shape, so what I ended up doing was I cut a plate that I could just run some tacks to, and it's actually coming out pretty good. It's halfway there. Got it over to my marks. A little bit short on that side, and it's a circle on top. Obviously there's a little bit of tapping. I cut this top edge a little bit long so that I can flatten it out, cut that flat, and it should be good to go. But she's taking shape, so I'm gonna get to cutting my other side, and we'll see what happens. All right, so my aluminum project went pretty good. It shaped up well. Fog light. So there you go. Fog light 6-inch. Actually wasn't that bad. And that's cut.